What if I told you your fridge can talk to your phone? It can tell you when you're out of milk, remind you when food is about to expire, and even help you shop online automatically. But how does a fridge actually communicate with your phone? Let's break it down. IoT stands for the Internet of Things. It means everyday objects are connected to the internet and can communicate with each other, instead of only phones and computers. Now even things like fridges, lights, watches, and TVs can connect online. All these devices share information using the internet. A smart fridge has sensors inside it. These sensors detect things like temperature, food items, and sometimes even expiration dates. The fridge collects this data and sends it through Wi-Fi to the internet. Then it sends updates to your phone like, milk is running low, or you need groceries. Your fridge doesn't talk directly to your phone. Instead, both devices connect to the internet cloud. The fridge sends data to the cloud, and your phone reads it from the cloud. Think of the cloud like a middle messenger that helps devices communicate anywhere in the world. Let's take a real example. If your fridge notices that milk is almost finished, it can automatically send an alert to your phone. It might even add milk to your shopping list. Some advanced systems can even order groceries automatically. That's IoT making life easier. IoT devices stay connected using Wi-Fi or mobile internet. They constantly send and receive small bits of data. To keep things secure, communication is often encrypted, meaning no one else can read it. So your fridge and phone can safely exchange information anytime. There's one funny thing about smart fridges. They are smart enough to tell you you're out of food, but not smart enough to refill themselves. So at the end of the day, you still have to go shopping. Technology is smart, but not that smart yet. So here's the big idea. The Internet of Things connects everyday objects to the internet. These devices collect data, share it through the cloud, and communicate with each other. Your fridge talking to your phone is just one example. The world is slowly becoming a connected smart system. If you enjoyed this video, kindly subscribe for more simple engineering and technology explanations. And don't forget to also like and share the video. And next time, we'll explore how smart homes actually control lights, doors, and security automatically. See you on that one.